Hi counter friends, welcome back to the Orange Counter. There's something about rainy days that makes you crave a warm bowl of soup. This particular soup reminds me of my sister. She made it for me once when I was down with a bad cold during the rainy season. And ever since then, it's been one of those meals I think about whenever it rains. Today, I'm making my own version using Tripe because that's what I had available at home. Let's get right into it. For the soup, I'll be using habanero pepper, dried chili peppers, tomatoes, onions, and a half of Aidan fruit, also known as Prekese, here in Ghana. And to season and steam my tripe, I'll be using onions, garlic, black pepper, cloves, and a little ginger and garlic powder. With my tripe cleaned and prepared, it was time to start building the flavor. I started by blending my onions, garlic, black pepper, and cloves. I poured the mixture over my tripe, then added some ginger and garlic powder, a little rock salt, and seasoning. Next, I added my habanero pepper, dried chili peppers, onions, tomatoes, and half of my Aidan fruit. Then I covered everything and allowed it to cook until the vegetables had softened. Once everything was nice and tender, I removed the vegetables and peppers and blended them until smooth. Back on the fire, I added a little tomato paste, mixed everything together and allowed it to cook for a few minutes before pouring in my blended mixture. After rinsing out my blender, I added the liquid to the pot and seasoned to taste. Then all that was left to do was let the soup simmer until everything came together beautifully. One thing I love about this soup is how simple it is. A few ingredients, a little patience, and a warm bowl of comfort for a rainy day. And this is how it turned out. Warm, comforting, and exactly what I needed on a rainy day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care of yourself, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.